Hey guys, welcome back. This is Luis with Vidriokar glass replacement. One more thing, another time. Let's do this, guy. So we're gonna do R9. We're gonna use a couple of things today. You got a magnet. We're gonna just add this guy. Alright guys, we're gonna attach this guy here. Alright. And we're ready to go. And that's all. The good thing with this pump, you can turn off and it's keeping the air, and it's not going to turn on except if you take the suction cap out. Okay guys, and that's all. Thank you so much, and see you in the next time.